What's going on, everyone? Dr. Matt Claggett from Waller Family Gonstead Chiropractic. Another question we get in our office is if I have had surgery on my spine or I have a place that's encased in metal, is chiropractic still beneficial for me or is it even safe? So the big answer to that is everyone's different. Every fusion is different, every spine is different, so it does create those unique circumstances and requires a scientific, unique approach. So what we do as Gonstead chiropractors in our office is we take the time to meticulously analyze and do a full exam on your spine, including taking x-rays to see which areas are in distress and which areas are encased in metal that we don't need to touch. And then what we do is we devise a practical solution based on that. Now, as chiropractors in general, we are more for being proactive and conservative in your care rather than recommending jumping straight into surgery and hopefully preventing unnecessary surgeries. That being said, there are times and cases in which surgery is unavoidable and oftentimes necessary. And we're very thankful for that. But there's actually an unknown consequence whenever surgeries do happen, whenever you case something in metal. So your spine is essentially like a stack of blocks. And you can look at it as being like a tug of war. When all the players are working together and everybody's doing their fair share of work like in tug of war, everybody's strong, no one's getting worn out fast than the other. But if you encase one or two of those spinal bones in metal, that takes them out of the game, just like tug of war. And when you take players out of tug of war, they just give up, everybody else starts working harder, and soon somebody else starts getting worn out. And to show you what I mean, this is an example of a low back that's had a fusion where they've taken out those bottom two spinal bones, those bottom two tug of war players, and just locked them up. So that means everybody else has to work even harder to do the same amount of work. Now, what you want to see in a normal, healthy back and disc, you can see we have these spinal bones right here, but you can see the spaces in between. Those are your discs. Those should be nice and thick from front to back. Now, here, nice and normal. Here, good normal spacing. And even when we look right here, you can see where the front of that disc is nice and thick and healthy. But when you get to the back right there, you can see it's getting dangerously thin. Now, what happens is whenever you encase something in metal, when something gets more worn out, it tends to lead to another surgery. So what we do as Gonstead chiropractors, we locate which areas are jammed, stuck, and not moving, starting to show that early signs of wear and tear, working on getting as stable as possible so it can heal and function as best as it can, so we can help hopefully prevent another surgery from happening. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you do have any questions, be sure to comment down below, message our office, or you can contact us at 972-722-0054. So in that, take care, have yourself a great day.